I'm not gonna lie, YouTube saw it first. YouTube definitely saw this whole style first. So if you guys want to see the tutorial on how I did these amazing 3-tone large knotless braids with square parts, you guys have to tune in. What y'all really got to do is wait for me to edit the damn video and get it, get everything together. That's really what y'all got to wait for. And the way my damn iCloud is acting like it don't have no space, I'm going to really try to get that shit done today. But in the meantime, these braids are like, oh my God, they're so beautiful. So I hope in my tutorial you guys can see like key points that can help y'all understand how these braids were achieved. The hair was from my brands. It's not on my website, and I feel crazy, guys, because it's like I'm a business and I have inventory, but I'm just like trying to build up and get a website that's flowing, so things will take time. So please forgive me. Yes. So stay tuned.